Today we're going over the Snap Pro, and you get the snap mount, the back plate, the lanyard, the snap mat, and 2 adapters. Connect the GoPro to the snap mount, and then you're ready to go. Use the back plate to mount your GoPro to any surface. Get easy POV shots by putting the back plate plus a lanyard beneath your shirt. Our snap mat is great for car enthusiasts. Place it on the vehicle before putting on your snap mount. It'll keep it in place and protect your paint. Take your GoPro to the next level by using our snap adapters. Attach these to any GoPro accessory, like a tripod or a selfie stick.